Hi everyone. That was my cat Clover. Before we start tonight's video, I'd love to get your thoughts on a dilemma that I'm having. So I've been sharing two types of moon videos, one with peaceful music and footage of Luna, and another with the same visuals but with added moon insights and facts. So I'm wondering, should I combine them into one video with an option to skip to just the moon footage and music, or do you prefer them to be separate? So tonight I'm testing it out. This video will include both, and I'd love to hear what you think. Do you like this combined format, or would you rather me keep them separate? Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts. Any feedback will be greatly appreciated. It'll just really help me decide what'll be best for the channel for you guys to see what you like. I know what I like. The moon is just beautiful, and sharing it with you all is wonderful. So just please let me know what you think, and then I'll take it from there. All right. Thank you so much. Sorry for the interruption. And now the video.